Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. Bought some merch, my own merch. Got this at the door actually today. I thought I would actually go and get it at a store. So let's see here. I'll start off with my t-shirt, the Swedish Traveler t-shirt with my website in the back. This one is made from Your Arcade Wins. He has made that one for me. So thank you Joe for designing the t-shirt for me. Here's the second one with the same with the website in the back. I'm actually planning on giving one away, so whoever wants it. And I didn't get a hoodie with the same logo as you might see, and the website in the back as well, so it might come in handy during these cold days. So that was my merch. Comment below what you think, like and subscribe if you want to, and if you want some of these, you can check out my merch store in the description down below. Otherwise, peace out.